In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the name that appears on your eBay shipping labels. If you've ever worried about your full name being displayed when shipping orders, or simply want a cleaner, more professional look, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, log into your eBay account. Once you're on your dashboard, hover over the top right corner where your name is displayed and click on Account Settings. From there, scroll down and select Addresses. This section controls the information that shows up on your shipments. Next, find the Personal Information area connected to your shipping details. Click Edit. Here, eBay gives you the option to adjust how your name appears on shipping labels. By default, it usually shows your full registered name, but you can change this to just your first name or even use your eBay username if you prefer. This is especially useful for sellers who want to protect their privacy while still maintaining trust with buyers. After making your changes, double-check everything for accuracy, then click Save. From now on, whenever you print a shipping label, it will display the updated name you selected. And that's it. It's really that simple. In just a few clicks, you can customize how your shipping labels look, giving your packages a more secure and professional touch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to use these steps right away and keep your shipping labels looking exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.